Very much look forward to the next course in the next year. The course is about the predictable reconstruction of hard and soft tissue. A 2-day course, great option to work on the animal heads, to have a practical course experience. I will be talking about sinus lifting procedures. I will be talking about 3-dimensional reconstructions, how to rebuild bone vertically and laterally in demanding situations, for example in the mandible. And I will also be talking about aesthetic solutions, how to rebuild hard and soft tissue in the aesthetic zone in 3 dimensions. What I think is very important is actually taking part in postgraduate training programs to have a better understanding of the biological processes in terms of bone regeneration.